Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. Now, if say for example you're going to go ahead and freeze both rows and columns, and this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to go ahead and bring your pointer here in B2. So cell B2 is where we're going to do it. We are going to hit over the view, freeze panes, and then click freeze panes right here. So the moment you do that one, what happened is from the B2 it's gonna go above, or one above, and it's gonna freeze that, and it's also going to freeze the one on its left. So yeah, what we have done is now we have already basically freeze this row right here, and then column A as well. So yeah, that is what we have done. As you can see, we can go over here and you'll be able to see that it's actually doing its thing. And yeah, basically that is how you're going to freeze rows and columns in Excel.